And we are trying to shift the interstate bus stand here.
Which interstate bus?
Interstate bus in Mumbai
Okay, Patlan asa payta.
Patlan Hall. Because originally it was here only, no? So now nothing has been finalized. We may shift it somewhere else also. But this is just a talk going on.
Somewhere else in the sense, I mean, identify our places.
Yeah, we will be identifying, no? So first place is this. So we will see the feasibility within 5 or 10 days. And if it is feasible, then we may go ahead with this also.
Sir, पयलींच्या हितून आणि आतांच्या हितून any buses increase badala because this was the earliest bus stand.
Earlier it was only 75 buses were there now.
Okay.
Now almost 200 buses are there.
200 buses.
Yeah.
So you can accommodate here.
See, at a time, buses which are going is 50 to 60 buses. So idle parking will be at some other place in one corner, and then those buses which are going to leave, they will come against those, like Mumbai bus Vaita, and some buses are going to Kolhapur. But that time are Etultiu, and from there it will go.
And why is the reason for shifting of this from there to here?
Because this construction work was going on here. So it was here earlier because of this construction works, they were told to shift. Now where they temporarily it was taken there.
Okay.
So it is just a temporary arrangement that was made there. That's why there are facilities not there.
They have been informed to shift or it is
Not
just
yet,
an initial
it is
step?
just a talk. It is just a talk. So nothing has been finalized. So we will see. First the restrooms will have to be made, toilets will have to be made, sitting arrangements will have to be. So if it is feasible here, then we will go ahead with it.
Minister also visited this site.
Minister, we just told him.
So he was also present at the site.
He was also. We have just told him that this is the because there it is very congested here.
So what has been his advice and all?
He said if it is feasible, you should go ahead. Because initially it was here only. No?
What do you feel? Is it feasible or what it is?
Now you look around and you see. You look around and you see.
No, as far as accommodating I'm talking about.
The accommodation is better place than that.
This is the better place.
It is far more better place than
because
that.
Because traffic congestion huge.
Traffic congestion that has to be taken care of, because curvature if you go diagonal, then so you will have to go, little this.
Equidistance.
Slanting. So that a bus does not float on the road.
So after 10 days you will come to a conclusion.
After 10 days will come to know.
So अनेक issue म्हणटा पळय तो ह्या दिसांनी कदंबाचो. Time and again when you since you are also part of the Kadamba हाचे breakdown अजूनही issue अजूनही I सवय very.
I agree with you. Breakdowns are there because these buses are very old. So we are in talk with the government, and the government has promised us that they are going to give us more buses. How they are going to give us, either by hiring from this, that concept will have to be finalized. Because one thing is sure, these buses are old.
Buses are old. How many are there old buses?
See, almost 50% this is old.
50%. So तुम्ही government मागलेला to replace करपाक.
We have sent a proposal that we want new buses. And the government is looking into that. And it is positive response from the government.
EV buses येवपाचे आशिल्ले.
EV buses are येतले. They will start from June. So 10 buses are coming by end of June. And by August we will have almost 50 to 60 buses.
It is phase wise, तुमचं ते slot
phase wise. So it is 60 buses which are going to come. 100 buses.
Okay. And what about that Maji bus scheme आशिल्ली?
See, Maji bus was just a pilot scheme which we have started in Kadkot. So that is still running in a pilot scheme. And once it is found to be feasible, then the government will issue a scheme for Maji bus and we will start it throughout Goa.
So the government is not yet able to understand whether it is feasible or not.
Not yet. It was a pilot scheme run for 6 months.
6 months.
Okay, then we extended it for 3 months because of this assembly. Okay, so now we have sent a report that we are positive for that. It is a good scheme and it will help commuters as well as the private bus owners.
How many buses are there under that Maji bus scheme?
53 buses are there.
And the revenue sharing, how has been it?
Revenue sharing, no. What is that? We collect and give him the revenue. So 26 is fixed as a revenue and 34 is an expenditure. So 34 minus 26, that is 8 rupees government is putting in. And they are bringing in that revenue.
So how that has been calculated? Like it is profitable for them?
Yeah, it has been calculated because we have conducted a survey. Our buses were operating there. So by operation of our buses, we have come to know that we are getting a comfortable margin of 26 rupees per day.
So you are getting it?
Yeah, we were getting it.
Longer route distance or shorter?
No, it is kilometer by. 200 kilometers. So 200 kilometers, 26 is the revenue and 34 is the expenditure.
And how many buses are there under that scheme, sir?
53 buses.
53. That is only in South Goa,
No, that is the pilot you have to do. You cannot do it. So randomly we have taken only 56.
56. But
so you can call it a trial.
Basically in South Goa, only.
Kankon. So it is a trial. It is a trial which has been successful. So now government will turn it into this. It is for the government to turn it into a scheme.
So any other issues like any planes from the Kadamba side as far as your bus stands are concerned?
See,
Because the bus
stands
stand the way, the condition of those bus stands.
See, conditions of the bus stand, you see this. When G20 summit has happened, we have totally renovated this Kadamba bus stand. Plus dome. Now people who get on the city bus stand, they don't get wet. Because directly there's a cover, you can go directly to the bus stand. So somewhere where money is involved, we are putting in our money and getting it this. But it requires a total lift up.
Another
It requires a total lift up, because congestion. These buses can accommodate only 25 initially. So now if you see, it is 125 buses. So which means it has crossed, 3 times the
three
capacity.
times. Otherwise, what is the capacity you said?
25.
25. It is 125.
Yeah, 25 झाले तिथे.
If you consider all routes of
Yeah,
the
all
Goa.
routes, private as well as us.
What about the maintenance of all this, sir?
See,
कहाँ तक है?
maintenance we are doing it, you go and see that, 3 times we are cleaning it. And bus now you see 3-4 toilets are there. Our toilet is there, then Sulabh toilet is there, GTTC toilet also is there. So to our best extent we are trying to maintain it.
But how do you see the condition? Okay.
See, it's a bus stand and you have to see the volume of people that are coming there. Because it is not only a bus stand, if you see it's a mini market also. There are all types of shops there. There are different types of people not coming only for the buses, they are also coming for some other activities.
And एक party, if I remember, chairman had said there would be an awareness created among the bus drivers,
Yeah, that is
especially
going
drink
on.
and drunk.
Yeah, that is going on now. We are this every 3 months to 2 months we are taking them, and then we are holding camps also, identifying who is alcoholic.
So every 3
Yeah,
months,
everything. And we have brought those alcohol testers also.
so they have been tested every
Yes. They have
once they
been-
take over the
yes,
bus.
randomly they are being tested, and we have found also. And we have
Once
taken
they start
action.
their duty, म्हटलेलं बस.
Yes. So randomly we are checking it, and we have found some people also. We have taken strict action.
What is the action? फक्त त्यांका इथून
The
काढलं.
action is that we have given them show cause notices and all, and we have shifted them to some other place.
Like that alcohol anonymous bus but त्यांकडे
No, that is for the family members.
Oh.
That we cannot interfere in that.
Okay.
So once we have found them alcoholic, then we take a. So if it is 3-4 times, then it is dismissal.
Dismissal.
We have dismissed people also who are this.
How many? Any like?
Only 7 of them.
In the last how many months?
Last 6 months.